Breakfast, often touted as the most important meal of the day, plays a crucial role in weight loss. So let's dive into some cool and light Indian breakfast ideas perfect for summer and weight loss. First, let's talk about some fresh and light ingredients. Sprouts, either moong dal or chana, can be steamed or lightly sautéed with chopped vegetables like onions and tomatoes for a protein and fiber-rich meal. Next, we have vegetable poha, made with flattened rice, bell peppers, carrots, green peas. This dish is perfect for summer. Vegetable upma is another option. Similar to poha, it uses semolina and includes grated carrots, chopped onions and peas. Besan Cheela, or gram flour crepes, are protein-rich and made with chickpea flour. Add chopped vegetables like spinach or onions for extra nutrients. For hydrating and cooling options, try dahi chivda, a light and refreshing dish made with cooked rice mixed with yogurt, cucumber, tomatoes, and roasted cumin seeds. Masala chas, a cool and tangy drink, is made with buttermilk, water, ginger, mint leaves, and a pinch of cumin powder. It's the perfect way to start a summer morning. A fresh fruit salad with coconut water combines seasonal fruits with chilled coconut water for a sweet and hydrating meal. For additional protein, try egg burji, a classic Indian breakfast. Use minimal oil and add chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies for a flavorful twist. Or try paneer burji, a vegetarian option that uses crumbled paneer instead of eggs. For a summer twist on classics, try a thinner and crispier dosa paired with a light vegetable stew, or smaller idlis with sambar and coconut chutney. Remember to focus on portion control. Include small amounts of healthy fats, minimize sugar, and don't shy away from spices for added flavor without extra calories. Summer is the perfect time to enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables in India. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day, combined with these healthy breakfasts and regular exercise, can support optimal weight loss results. These are just a few ideas to inspire you. With a little creativity and focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients, it's possible to enjoy delicious and nutritious Indian breakfasts that support your weight loss goals throughout the hot summer months.